So today I'm going to be sharing with you Graze subscription, and then they also have like a shop where you can buy like select products individually and stuff, so you don't have to do the subscription through them. Now, I ordered something from Graze a long time ago, like years and years back, and I really liked it, and I don't know why, but I kind of forgot about it. And then I was watching a video and it reminded me of it, so I went ahead and got another box to try out. So this is what I got in the mail. That's what it looks like, and you just kind of open it up, and then inside you get 4 snack little packets. And I'm looking forward to this because I can take these with me to work, and I don't have to put them in a Ziploc or anything. They're already packaged, ready to go. The first box from them, if you use a code, is free, and this is the free sampler box. You get 4 snack packets in here. I believe when you do the subscription, it comes with 8, so it's a little bit thicker and you get more of them. And if you guys want to try this out, look down below. I will have a link and a code for you if you want to try this out and get your first sampler box free to try it out, because I really recommend testing it, seeing if you like it. I think it's worth it. You don't have to pay shipping, you don't have to pay for the box, so it's completely free for your first one, testing it out and everything. I just found this through somebody else's video, so I'm not being sponsored or anything like that, so just so you guys know, this is my own opinions on this. And like I said, I did get this a long while back, a few years ago, and really enjoyed it. I just kind of forgot about it, so I had moved since then, and yeah, I'm excited for this. So let me go ahead and stop rambling and share with you the different goodies that I got in here. Also, just so you guys know, you can go in and kind of customize it a little bit and tell them like what you like, what you don't like. You can favorite things, you can take things off of the list for them to send you and stuff like that. So you are more than likely going to get things that you actually like and not random things that you might not like, which is really nice that you can do that. Because you don't want to pay for something and then get something that you're not going to eat or enjoy. Let's just go through them. So the first one in here, hoping you guys can see, first one in here is chocolate pretzel. So you get little pretzel dippers, and then you get the dip over here, and let's see, what does it say? It says lightly salted pretzel sticks with a cocoa and hazelnut dip. Ooh, that sounds really good. So that's what that looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. So that's the first one in here. Oh, and look at that, they have like little sayings in there in the box, like underneath of the snacks. That's really cute. So this one says, "Have you fallen in love yet?" For here is pumpkin spice flapjack. And this is rustic rolled oat flapjack with pumpkin spice. Ooh, that sounds good. So this one I thought was like a protein kind of bar kind of a thing. Maybe it's not, but I feel like it was. And this one in here, I'm just going to share it with you. It said, "Snacks are always a good idea." I agree. Now down here is a sesame garlic crunch, and this is garlic, sesame sticks, oat bran sesame sticks, and multigrain soy crackers. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, let me show you the flapjacks. So that's what those look like. You get 3 of them in there. This is what the sesame one looks like. Maybe you'll see this one better from the back. It's kind of what's all in there. And here it says, "Good doesn't need to be boring." And then I guess these are supposed to be healthier snacks too, so it's kind of why it says that. And then over here is a salted fudge and peanut cookie. So this one has salted peanuts, red skin peanuts, vanilla fudge, and mini chocolate cookies. Ooh. You know I'll be liking this one. Oh, this is protein. This is the protein one. Oh good, it's like chocolatey and yet it's still protein. So that's kind of what's all in there. And then it says there are over 100 snacks to try. And then the flapjack one says it's whole grain. And then the other ones say they're 140 calories. So yeah, so that's my box. Those are my 4 snacks. I'm looking forward to using these for work. I think this is a really great idea for packing lunches for work, for school, anything like that, or just taking with you on the go. I know I've mentioned this a couple of times in my other videos, but I need to make sure that I have some kind of snack with me just in case. So these are really nice. I actually would even consider putting these in my purse for when I am on the go. I think this would be absolutely perfect for that. That's a really good idea, actually. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I got in the mail. I was really excited about it, so I literally just turned on my camera as soon as I came home. So I wanted to give you a quick update on my thoughts on the Graze snacks that I tried. So it's 4 days later. So I've tried all 4 snacks, one each day. I took them to work with me. So the first one is the salted fudge and peanut cookie. And this one was pretty good. It was probably one of my least favorites of the bunch, but it was still really good. It cured like my sweet craving, so that was really nice, and it also has protein in it. So I actually did like this. I don't know if it's something that I would pick out again, but it was good. I did enjoy trying it. The second one I tried out is the Sesame Garlic Crunch. And this was actually really good. I really liked this one. It was nice for when I had more of a salty craving, and it had more flavors in it, which was really nice. And I feel like it was very filling. Oh, the salted fudge and peanut cookie was surprisingly very filling as well. But yeah, I actually really liked this. This was like perfect to go with my lunch. So yeah, this was one of my favorites actually. The next one I tried out is, the chocolate pretzel. So there was like pretzel sticks in here, and then it had this chocolate sauce over here, and oh, it's hazelnut dip, and it was actually really good. I loved the dip. The pretzels are a little kind of, I mean, there wasn't anything special about them, but I do think that the ratio that they gave you the hazelnut sauce was really nice, because I like loaded each pretzel stick up with the sauce, and I had plenty for all of the pretzel sticks that were in here, so that was really nice. As much as I really liked the hazelnut sauce, I don't think this is something that I would ask for again, just because like the pretzels weren't anything special, but it still was really good. I still really enjoyed this. Basically licked this hazel sauce out completely. So yeah, I mean, it was still good, and it was nice to have for a snack. It's probably, as much as I liked it, the bottom 2 out of this. And then another one that I actually really enjoyed was the pumpkin spice flapjack, and it tasted exactly as it says. It tasted like pumpkin spice, and it was like a little granola bar almost, and it was really good. Like, I really liked this granola bar. It was the perfect texture, perfect amount of flavor, and it was also filling as well. So I really, really liked this. This is something that I would consider either requesting again or purchasing from their shop. So this was definitely one of my top 2 favorites from the 4 snacks that I got. I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what I thought of each snack before I end out this video. I hope that was helpful for you guys, and if you do want to check this out for yourself and try out some of these snacks. I will leave a link down below with a coupon code so you can get your first tasting box for free as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Bye!